Convincing someone requires understanding their perspective, building trust, and effectively presenting your point of view. Here's a step-by-step guide. Welcome in Better Talks. 1. Understand their perspective. Listen actively. Pay close attention to their needs, values, and concerns. Ask questions. Understand their motivations and reservations. Empathize. Put yourself in their shoes to better address their concerns. 2. Build credibility. Show expertise. Share relevant knowledge or experiences to establish authority. Be honest. Avoid exaggeration or dishonesty. Trust is critical. Be reliable. Show consistency in your actions and words. 3. Present your idea clearly. Use simple language. Avoid jargon or overly complex explanations. Provide evidence. Use facts, statistics, examples, or testimonials to back your point. Tell a story. Stories are memorable and can emotionally resonate with the other person. 4. Appeal to their interests. Highlight benefits. Focus on how your idea aligns with their goals or solves their problems. Make it personal. Show how it directly impacts them in a positive way. 5. Be positive and confident. Stay calm. Even if they resist, remain composed and respectful. Be enthusiastic. Show genuine belief in what you're proposing. 6. Handle objections gracefully. Acknowledge concerns. Show you understand their reservations. Address them. Provide thoughtful solutions or reassurances. 7. Create a win-win situation. Collaborate. Ask for their input to refine the idea. Compromise. Be willing to adjust your approach to accommodate their concerns. 8. Ask for commitment. Be direct. Politely ask if they agree or need further clarification. Set a follow-up. If they're undecided, ask when you can revisit the conversation. Example: if you're convincing a friend to join a fitness program, 1. Understand their fitness goals and obstacles. 2. Share your own positive experience or credible research. 3. Highlight how the program fits their lifestyle and helps achieve their goals. 4. Address concerns like time or cost with practical solutions. Would you like tailored advice for a specific situation?